Hey guys, Brink Car Guy 5 here, and today a walk around look on this 2003 Toyota Avalon XLS. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Avalon. We'll start the engine, showing performance data, shows the inside, shows the outside. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start up, let it run. There's the desert sand, desert exterior, beige exterior with the beige cloth interior. And so, let's go ahead and start this thing up. 85,000 miles. Awesome. Starts awesome and starts right up. Feet, feet. Yeah. Automatic driver's side window. Headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Let's show the exterior, shall we? Windows, door locks, storage. Yep, it looks like they're amazing style on this beautiful it's a hazard, sorry about that. Open up the hood. Toyota's VVTi 3.4 Cam 24 Power V8. Have fuel, gas, and some hoods right here. Power seating, power manual set aluminum door sills. See how this sounds. Yeah, it looks like they're more standard. They're more Yep, it looks like they're more. This is my neighbor's car. Awesome car. Yep, the power outlet and some guidance lines on it. Heat hours. Box here. Your AM/FM radio with standard CD player as of dual laws exist, but your AM/FM radio with CD player and guidance lines on it. And yeah. There, and looks like it's there your dual AM/FM CD player with CD, and it looks like it's discontinued, but AM/FM CD player with FM radio.
We go to page 11 in the presentation. You'll see we're on target to meet our quarterly.
Some things never change. Like nobody can resist popping plastic bubbles. And Geico's saving folks lots of money.
We're on target to meet.
Yep. It's like their AM/FM radio with CD player. Garage home link. Garage. I know Honda original, right? It's the same as the one that has the Honda Accord in the. Yep. Power box. Now let's check the back seat. And wow. Cold, hot temperatures. Nope, not just a fan.
B97.5.
Yeah. Now let's check the back seat. Power vents, power everything. Yeah, the back seat. Seats are nice and comfortable. Yeah. Cup holders. And let's shut it off. It's the trunk. Trunk here. Yep. 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 And on my sunroof. Glove box. And our pulsar motor button. Yeah. Right, the lights over there, but well, guys, when you walk through or we'll walk around and start engine and full tour on this 2003 Toyota Avalon XLS. And a lot more came from. Take care, guys.